just come to admob.com and you're going to have something like this on your screen where you get to see earn more revenue with your app. So all you need to literally do here on this platform is basically simple. All you need to do is just click on sign up here. Just click on the sign up button here and it's going to load a page and it's going to take us where you get to actually verify if it's you. So I'm just going to click on next. So I'm going to click on next. And here is going to take us to this page right here where it says welcome to Admob, sign up. So all you need to do is just go down here, select your country or territory, whatever country you actually reside in. So I'm just going to look for Nigeria because I stay in Nigeria, so I'm just going to search for Nigeria here. And this is Nigeria, right? So I'm just going to select this. So your time zone, you need to select your time zone as well. So I'm going to leave it as UTC 0100, that's Lagos. So I'm going to select that and I'm going to scroll down here on this page. So you need to actually click on here, which means I've read and accept the AdSense terms and conditions. Then click on create Admob account. So you want to click on that button. So after clicking on it, this page will pop up as well. They are going to tell you confirmation email has been sent to your email address. It contains some tips to get you started with Admob. So you need to literally just select any of these here. You need to select all, but you can just select anything randomly. It actually does not matter, so you can just put in yes, yes, no. So it doesn't matter basically. So all you need to do is just click on continue to Admob. Now you're going to have something like this after clicking on continue to Admob, and all you need to do is to just click on this button here which literally says get started. So just click on the get started here, and if you are literally struggling to get your Admob account approved, all you need to do is just watch this video to the end, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do at the end of this video. So you need to literally select the platform that you want to actually create your app on. Is it an Android app or is it an iOS app? So I'm just going to select Android right here, and this is the app listed on the supported app store. If your app is on Play Store or any supported app store, you can click on yes, but this is just a tutorial video. I'm just going to click on no, then click on continue afterwards. Then you're going to be prompted to put in your app name, so whatever name you decide. So I'm just going to put in tutorial right here, then I'm gonna click on here. So you need to put in your app name, then you need to click on the add app option right here. So make sure you click on it, and here it says you successfully added the name of the app right here. What to do next, you need to create ad units and test your SDK integration. After you complete testing, publishing your app to a supported app store. Ad stores, okay, just ignore this one first. So we need to go bit by bit. So I'm just going to click on done right there, and it's going to take us to next step. Just go to this part of the screen and right here, just click on payments. So you need to set up payments obviously, so make sure you click on set up payments right here. So you need to put in your payment details here, and here it says your browser may be blocking the third party. Okay, so I'm just going to click on reload here. Let's see. I'm going to click on set up payments again. So you're literally going to have something like this on your screen. So you need to select your address line. You need to put in your, all this is very vital for you to get approval here on Admob. So you need to put in everything, basically put in Lagos here. So you need to put in every vital info here. So city, I'm still gonna leave it at Lagos here. So you want to make sure that everything you're putting is literally real. So they are gonna ask you for your postal code. You need to put in your postal code. Then they are going to ask you for your state, so you need to select your state basically. So I'm going to click on this one here, and your phone number is actually optional. So all you need to do is just click on what? Click on submit right here. Then the next step is to go back to your home page. So after clicking on submit first, you're going to have all this here. So what you need to do is just go to home again, go back to home page right there, and you're going to see it says your account is being verified. So right here it says your account is being verified. This generally takes 24 hours, but in rare cases can take up to 2 weeks. So just ignore that one here. If you followed every method and every step, your account is going to get verified within 24 hours. So